the Sharp 64-color memory LCD evaluation kit, powered by the Epson memory display controller. Previously, memory LCDs were only available in monochrome. Now, we finally have a 64-color version. Let's get started and display something on it. First, install the LCD into the FPC connector. The flex cable is very small, so you'll need steady, dexterous fingers for this step. Next, connect the host microcontroller board, which uses the Cortex-M4 LaunchPad from Texas Instruments, to the LCD board using the simple bridge board. Then, connect the red LaunchPad board to your PC with a USB cable. This single cable supplies power to the whole setup and lets you program the microcontroller quickly. Once everything is connected, you will see a demo running. Press the switch SW1 at the lower right corner to cycle through different screens. Now, you might be wondering, where does this demo firmware come from? Is it open source? Where can you get it? Don't worry. The firmware is available from Epson's website, and there is also a full description of this evaluation kit on GitHub. 2. Load a new demo. Open Code Composer Studio and program the board. The demo may look complex, but you don't need to develop everything from scratch. The graphical framework has already been created for you. You can simply focus on building your own application. If you'd like to ask a question, we'd be happy to connect with you.